So heading in the Leith today because I've decided I'm going to invest in Blackmagic's Resolve Speed Editor keyboard. I did quite like the look of Resolve, but I've been using the free version. However, if you buy the Speed Editor keyboard, you get the software for free. I've heard Wex are about to move from Bonington. Where they are at Bonington is relatively easy to get to. They have a little car park. Now they're moving to Leith Walk. Not much parking around there apart from McDonald Road. I've seen the pre-released pictures though, it looks quite smart. And here we are. Here we go. Shutters down and all. We have moved. We're only 20 minutes walk away, 39 Haddington Place. I didn't think you went there till the 3rd of May. It's next week. Oh well, looks like we're going to McDonald Road. I heard my auntie might be in town visiting my mum. So we'll take a little nip past the Woolen Mill while we're here.
Hello, stranger.
Hello.
Oh,
That was a nice flying visit. Nice to see you. To Wex. Can I chuck it up there? And here we have the issue previously mentioned of trying to get parked somewhere. There we go. Grand opening event in store 3rd of May. So it's just an opening event. Well, thank you and enjoy your opening event. Not opening day.
yeah.
Great success. Yeah, I'm away, yeah. There you go, that's how busy it is. Let's go back through the town. This is horrific, isn't it? Does anybody know where they're going? Is that rain? There's actually a broad view. And yet it's raining. Bizarre. Welcome to Scotland. 4 seasons in a day.